Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious ice cream milkshake. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of your favorite ice cream, which is the star of our show. Next, grab 1/2 cup of cold milk to help achieve that perfect creamy texture. Don't forget any fun mix-ins or toppings you might want to add later. Now let's get blending. Carefully scoop your ice cream into a sturdy blender, then pour in the cold milk. Start by blending on a low speed for about 15 to 20 seconds to break down the ice cream. After that, increase the speed to medium and continue blending until your milkshake is wonderfully smooth and has that ideal, thick consistency. This is where you can truly make your milkshake unique. Feel free to incorporate extra flavorings, like a generous drizzle of chocolate syrup or a spoonful of peanut butter. If you love texture, add mix-ins such as crushed cookies, fresh fruit, or even a few candy pieces. Give it one final, brief blend, just enough to combine everything without overmixing. Your amazing homemade milkshake is ready. Carefully pour the thick, creamy concoction into a tall, chilled glass. For an extra special touch, garnish it with a swirl of whipped cream, a sprinkle of chocolate shavings, or a cherry on top. Remember, milkshakes are best enjoyed immediately, so grab a straw and savor every delicious sip.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.